Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how to reprogram your subconscious mind while sleeping. Okay? So before we get started, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. That way you don't miss a beat when we go live or create valuable content just like this for you. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is the subconscious mind does not know the difference between visualization and real situations. Okay, so if you're trying to attract new abundance in your life, you're trying to achieve success in your life or in your business, if you visualize what it would be like before it actually happens, your subconscious mind does not know the difference what's actually really going on currently and your visualization. So understand, visualization is a very, very important technique you could apply to really attract more things in your life. Very, very important. Now, the second thing is, the longer your subconscious mind believes something, okay, the harder it is to change that thought. Now, let me elaborate on that a little bit. So, all your life, you go through life and you have all these situations happening to you. And, when we are actually trying to, get into this new paradigm, right, of attracting better things in our life, abundance, success, things like that, it's a lot more difficult because you've been programmed for so long, for so many years. So your subconscious mind doesn't understand that you're trying to change it. But your conscious mind, you can start really being in the moment and change that thought in that moment. That way it starts, programming your subconscious mind, which is very important to understand. I've always done this and it has worked very, very well for me because I had to learn new stuff, right, in my mind to reprogram and cover the old stuff, right? The old stuff that, keeps you stuck and holds you back from achieving success and achieving wealth and achieving great things in your life, okay? Now, understand, guys, that every thought causes a physical reaction. Every thought causes a physical reaction. So understand that whatever you do in your mind, you physically will start taking action on, whether it's good or bad, right? So if you have some really bad habits, you're taking action on those bad habits. You're really taking action on those bad habits subconsciously, and you're not realizing that they're bad habits and not serving you well because your subconscious mind's already programmed to really behave in that fashion, okay? So, but like I said earlier, you can really reprogram your thoughts just by actually, thinking in the moment when you want to, reprogram, your subconscious mind, right? So, but how, what does this have to do with trying to program your mind in your sleep? Stay tuned to the very end because I'm getting to that, okay? So now the next thing I want to talk about is like what tends to happen is that once an idea is accepted and it remains firmly in place, it starts to begin a new subconscious thought, okay? So once you get this really strong thought in your conscious mind and it starts to go into your subconscious mind, it gets gets really firmly placed, and that way you start creating new habits, okay? Which is really, really important to the things that you want to acquire and achieve in your life, okay? So how do we solve this problem with trying to do our subconscious mind over from the old way of thinking? How do we enter that new paradigm, right? From the old paradigm that's got us stuck, right? Well, this is what I've done, and I want to share a tip with you that's really going to help you. Now, what I've done is I actually have some audio books playing in my phone, also in my tablet. So what I do at night, I listen to personal development and I listen to really important, healthy information as I'm sleeping. And what happens is this is being programmed in my mind as I'm resting. And the first thing I start to think about when I wake up is what I was listening to the night before, right? As I'm sleeping, it's still playing until it's done, right? It's a very important tip that I can share with you because that's helped me over the years achieve great success, have time and freedom for myself, right, and my family, and it's just a blessing. And believe it or not, when you're sleeping and you start actually reprogramming your mind to the subconscious mind, because all that information that's going in is reprogramming your subconscious mind, whether you know it or not. Okay, So understand this tip that I just shared with you is so valuable. Here's another thing I'm going to share with you. There's something that I've used before, and it's called Jose Silva Ultramind ESP System. Look it up, Jose Silva Ultramind ESP System, and it's a great technology to focus on reprogramming your subconscious mind to be more aware in the moment, so that way you can erase all those thoughts that are not serving you well, to actually putting good thoughts in your, into your conscious mind now, so it gets into your subconscious. So that way, once it goes into your subconscious mind, you're able to just function on a daily basis, like automatically without even thinking about it, right? So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. I want to thank you for listening to this information, because this information is very valuable, and I know it went a little bit deep on the mind there, but it is very healthy to start learning this stuff and applying it, because it can really help you in your life, okay? So guys, my name is Rich Guzman. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you on a new video very soon. Bye now.